The importance of family values in a family business. In the context of a family business, family values refer to the collective principles, beliefs, and ethical standards that are cherished and upheld by the family unit. These values deeply influence the business's operations, culture, and strategic direction, reflecting the unique identity and legacy of the family. Here, we explore the multifaceted importance of family values in a family business. 1. Moral compass. Family values act as a moral guide, ensuring the business operates with integrity and ethical standards, which are critical in building trust and credibility. 2. Foundation of trust. They foster an environment of trust, respect, and fairness, crucial for smooth operations and healthy relationships within and outside the business. 3. Unity and cohesion. Family values promote a sense of unity, binding family members and employees with a shared purpose and commitment to the business. 4. Long-term perspective. Guided by values, family businesses often focus on sustainability and longevity, prioritizing lasting success over short-term gains. 5. Decision-making framework. Values provide a framework for decision-making, encouraging choices that benefit the business as a whole, rather than individual interests. 6. Positive work culture. A strong value system contributes to a supportive and engaging work environment, boosting employee morale and productivity. 7. Attracting talent. Values aligned businesses are more likely to attract and retain employees who share similar ethical standards and work ethos. 8. Leadership by example. Family leaders who embody their values inspire loyalty and motivation, setting a positive example for others to follow. 9. Transparency and communication. Values encourage open and honest communication, fostering an atmosphere where ideas and concerns can be freely expressed. 10. Conflict resolution. A shared set of values facilitates the resolution of disputes in a respectful and constructive manner, preserving relationships. 11. Reputation and credibility. Upholding strong family values enhances the business's reputation, appealing to customers and partners who prioritize ethical dealings. 12. Adaptability in crisis. Values serve as a stabilizing force during challenges, guiding the business through uncertainty with a consistent ethical approach. 13. Legacy for future generations. Values lay the groundwork for a lasting legacy, ensuring the business's positive impact endures for future family generations. 14. Strategic alignment. They ensure strategic decisions align with the family's vision and values, supporting cohesive growth and development. 15. Corporate citizenship. A commitment to family values often translates into socially responsible practices and community involvement, enhancing social impact. 16. Identity and belonging for family members. Shared values foster a strong sense of identity and pride in the business, enhancing commitment and loyalty. 17. Effective governance. Values underpin governance structures, guiding decision-making processes that reflect the family's and business's best interests. 18. Organizational resilience. A values-driven culture is more resilient, capable of embracing change and innovation while maintaining its core identity. 19. Balancing personal and professional. Family values help navigate the complex interplay between personal relationships and business operations, ensuring harmony. 20. Thriving work environment. Finally, family values create a nurturing environment where individuals can grow personally and professionally, contributing to overall well-being and satisfaction. Conclusion. Family values are not just sentimental, they are strategic assets that drive the success and sustainability of a family business. By embedding these values into the fabric of their operations, family businesses can navigate the complexities of blending family dynamics with professional management, creating a legacy of integrity, unity, and enduring success. A family business constitution workbook has been uploaded on Amazon. Please look for Basheer Juma.